It's gonna fall right in there. It's gonna fall right in there. It's gonna fall right in there. I'm gonna try to get this guy just to lay in here, and we'll figure everything else out from there. Okay. All right. So, tip number one, and that is the engine will fit, except for this breather cover. Not quite sure who put that together. Also not sure if I've ever seen it in any service manual that says, hey, make sure you remove this before you attempt to remove or install an engine. Because this has bitten me a couple dozen times because I always forget. I put 750s and 1100 frames and 1100s in 1100s and 750 frames, and the years really don't make that much of a difference. They didn't change too much. I will say this engine, this 750 probably makes as much power as the older 1000. So let's have some fun with this thing now. Here we go. I'm gonna try to get it in there. Doctor says I shouldn't lift heavy stuff, but I guess we'll show him now, won't we? Okay, here we go. I haven't even started the fire yet. We're not. Okay. Here. Oh, hello. I mean, that's a thing, right? There we go. And then tilt. There we go. And how are we? Yeah, tilt and drop. Bend and snatch.
I think I dropped something on the floor that I need to pick up. So you bend and snap. Come on, you try.
And there you go. 750 motor in a 1000 frame. I got the 2 motor mounts in. I only ever run the 3, so I guess gotta get this one here together. I never run the middle mounts. What else? That's where we are right now. Get the carbs on, wire it up, and got the clutch on already. Clutch, 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 clutch. Just realized that I have the controls from the Yamaha. I gotta find a set. For this bike. Figure out what the hell I did with that. But yeah, there she is.